Yeah, what's going on? Just giving you guys an update about the renovations. Got the hardwood floor, got the engineered wood, got the cherry. It's gonna be beautiful, guys. It's gonna be beautiful. That cherry wood, stranded bamboo flooring. It's gonna be beautiful, guys. It's gonna be beautiful. Gonna put it on these floors. I guess we're gonna go on top. We're not gonna take the floors up. We're just gonna go over top, guys. It's coming along. It's coming along. Hope everybody's Saturday is going good. You know, hope you guys are staying blessed. Hope you guys are thinking of ways to build your empire, whether it's life insurance, real estate, you know, stocks or anything like that. But I'm an advocate for real estate on what it can do. HVAC guy, man, guys, when you choose these contracts, make sure these guys ain't lazy, man. If they show you any laziness, get rid of them and try to find new people. My HVAC guy still ain't come to get the furnace. He bought a furnace that was too big, so it can't even fit in his closet. And I told him from the jump, I said, look, we need a 14-inch wide furnace. He was gonna put a 40-gallon water heater. Give me 1 second, guy. Yeah, so, you know, a lot of these contractors don't listen, guys. You tell them something, they do what they want to do. So I'm about to give them a call once I finish just making this short video. You know, but like I said, bathroom's almost done. Got the doors on. Got rid of the steel doors. We're using a 90% furnace, guys. That means we're using PVC pipe for the furnace, running it through the roof, and ventilating outside so it can pull. You guys know what a 90% furnace is. 90% is just a different type of furnace you can use when you don't really have when it's not. There's a 90% and there's an 80% furnace. 90% allows you to use PVC for different reasons that you may have. Like, I'm moving my furnace, so I needed a 90% furnace. 80% furnace wouldn't allow me to do what I needed to do. The old furnace used to sit here, guys. As you can see, it's a hole right here. And it didn't use PVC piping. So we moved the furnace from made this bedroom right here, which used to be a kitchen, guys. This used to be a kitchen. This whole room. This used to be a kitchen, and what I did was I moved all this stuff out and made it a bedroom. Because I get maybe like $350, $340 more, guys, in rent. And also, now that this is two bedrooms, guys, this building has appreciated, which was worth around $7 guys. But when it's two bedrooms, 2 1-bedrooms, now the comps, guys, this building is now worth around $815,000 just off that, guys. Just off that. So there's a reason why people buy houses and add bedrooms to them, guys. More bedrooms, the more the house is worth. More bathrooms, the more the house is worth. Depending on the comps, guys. I mean, it's not that cut and dry, but it is depending on what area you're in. Getting the floors ready. Put the engineered bamboo on. So I'm excited, guys. Added the recessed lights here in the bathroom. Double switch, guys. My electricity did a double switch. So double switch for the shower. 2 switches. So if you got your little girl, your wife, you can cut the lights off in the shower and have your little girl wash it back. Turn off the lights. Light a candle. Cause I want. Let me stop, guys. But yeah, got my plumber, my electrician, run these recessed lights. It's coming along, guys. Can't wait to put the floors down. That cherry hardwood. I'm excited. I ain't gonna be with you guys too long, so stay blessed, guys, and invest. Have a good one. And I'm out.